Okay, today on the bench we've got the talking robot. Now this is from the 60s as well, and it uses, it was one of the first talking robots that was battery operated. I mean, Robert the Robot from like 1953, 54, whenever it was crank operated talking. But as far as battery operated talking, is one of the early ones. And the talking mechanism is very different than the ones that we're used to seeing in our talking toys. It runs on a single D-cell battery. Now this toy had been repaired before by somebody. You can see where they did some work on the battery box, and in fact I believe this is something somebody might have made up. Anyway, it's a very good job on this. It wasn't talking, and of course the main reason for not talking is the little battery motor. It's only getting 1.5 volts, so if it gets gummed up at all or dirty brushes on the motor or anything, it's not going to run. So you got to take the whole thing apart in order to do it. And in order to get to the talking thing, you've got to be able to split the body halves. In order to split the body halves, it gets kind of involved. You pretty much have to take everything apart. Now the good news is, once you get it apart, the talking mechanism itself is held together with screws, so you can unscrew it and you can get in there to get things going. So I unscrewed it, lubed up the motor. There's a little hole right here where you can shoot in some spray cleaners for the brushes. Got them going. It ended up being that the belt needed to be replaced as well. What I have found is, if you search on eBay, for example, probably true on Amazon too, I don't know, you can buy bags of assorted size of belts, which are sold for VCR, cassette deck, you know, that kind of repair work. So I had a bag of just all different sizes of belts until I found the one that was fit just tight enough, but not too loose, not too tight. You don't want to bind anything up. Got that in there working just right. Got the motor running good. Got all 4 phrases playing on this one. Lubed up the shaft for the record spinner here, and cleaned up the contacts that turn the power to the motor on and off. All that good stuff. I've done videos in the past of mine out in the Robothut playing all 4 phrases, and I've done a video in the past talking in depth on how this record player mechanism works. I'll try to remember to put links to both those down below if you'd like to see more about that. As far as this one goes, let's I'm going to put a battery in it. First though, here you can actually see the friction drive. It didn't have a battery operated motor to make the robot move. It just had an inertia friction wheel. The only thing battery operated about it is the record playing functions. Now you never know which message you're going to get. There's 4 on there and they're going to come up randomly, so sometimes you hit the button a couple of times.
I am inside me. Do you get me now? I am. Give my best wishes to everybody. But please give my best wishes to everybody. But please be inside me. Do you get me now?
Now usually it starts at the very beginning of the track. This one seems to be starting a little bit into the track. I'm not sure what that's all about.
Oh, the outer limit, boys. Goodbye. See you again.
But that's the functions of it. Links down below if you'd like to learn more about the talking robot.